Imagine a welding solution so precise and efficient that it transforms your flexible hose welding production. Meet the Mini Flexi Hose Welder, MFHW, by Nikit Engineers. What is the Mini Flexi Hose Welder, MFHW? The Mini Flexi Hose Welder is an economical yet highly precise welding solution designed for fusion and wire feed welding of sleeves and connectors on stainless steel and metal hoses. Whether for automotive, industrial, HVAC, or fluid transfer applications, this machine ensures strong, leak-proof, and consistent welds every time. With traditional methods, achieving a perfect fusion or wire feed weld can be time-consuming and inconsistent. The MFHW eliminates these challenges, offering superior weld strength, reduced material waste, and faster production cycles. Key features and advantages. Fusion and wire feed welding supports both welding techniques for sleeves and connectors, ensuring flexibility in applications. Precision welding delivers strong, uniform welds that increase hose durability. Economical and cost-efficient, reduces material wastage, rework, and operating costs. User-friendly and safe, simple to operate, with a design that enhances efficiency and minimizes errors. Compact and versatile, suitable for workshops of all sizes, accommodating various hose dimensions. Faster production cycles, speeds up welding, helping manufacturers meet high demand with ease. How it works? Position the hose and sleeve/connector. Secure them in the fixture. Choose welding mode. Select fusion welding or wire feed welding based on requirements. Initiate welding cycle. A simple button press starts the process. Precision welding in action. The MFHW applies controlled heat and pressure for a seamless weld. Completion and quality check. A uniform, defect-free weld is produced within seconds. The result? A strong, high-quality weld with minimal finishing required. Why choose MFHW by Nikit Engineers? Backed by years of expertise in welding automation, Nikit Engineers delivers cutting-edge solutions to enhance manufacturing efficiency. The MFHW is built for manufacturers who demand quality, speed, and cost-effectiveness. By investing in MFHW, you get dual welding capability, fusion and wire feed, superior weld quality, increased productivity, lower production costs, reliable, low-maintenance equipment, no more inconsistent welds, excessive waste, or slow production, just seamless, efficient welding at an affordable cost. For precision, reliability, and cost-effectiveness in hose welding, the Mini Flexi Hose Welder, MFHW, is the solution you've been looking for. Ready to upgrade your production? Nikit Engineers, your trusted welding automation partner since 1977. We serve across industries. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Contact us at sales@nikitengineers.in for any inquiry.